Kristen, since the negotiated Senate bill didn't pass, it means drug possession will be legalized statewide come July 1st when the current law expires, and all enforcement power will go to local jurisdictions unless something happens before then. But Governor Inslee just said about 20 minutes ago that he feels state decriminalization of drug possession is unacceptable. He says it doesn't meet his expectations and is urging leaders of the chambers to find enough votes to pass a bill by July 1st. Inslee does have the ability to call lawmakers into a special session, but it's yet to be seen exactly how that will play out. Here's what happened in the House earlier. Lawmakers can agree there is an addiction crisis in Washington communities.
Please do something.
But they can't agree on how to solve it, as seen in tonight's House chambers.
And everything that comes with substance use disorder, defecation on the streets, needles in our parks. All of the things we've heard about that we fear will be worse if this bill fails.
Many of those suffering from addiction, they don't feel like they're worthy enough for recovery. And this bill doesn't help with that, in my opinion.
The current state law expires in a couple months, and that classifies drug possession as a misdemeanor, but only on the third offense. That comes with the lighter penalties you see on your left. However, on the right side of your screen is what was proposed tonight in a negotiated version of Senate Bill 5536 to raise penalties to a gross misdemeanor, carrying a harsher max jail sentence of about a year up to $5,000 in fines or both. The governor took to his Twitter to urge swift action on the issue.
Ultimately, treatment is what really works with people, but they also preserved a criminal sanction to make sure people understand they have to go into treatment or there is jail time. So both got done this year. I think that'll be a good result.
But it didn't get done. The House voted against it.
Is not passed.
43 to 55. Ultimately prevailing were some lawmakers' concerns over harsher penalties.
Unfortunately, I can't vote for this bill because it's a gross misdemeanor.
Others asked for more accountability.
Law enforcement in my communities have asked for a policy with teeth that will really get sick people better.
And concerns about the war on drugs.
Criminalization of drugs has been a catastrophic failure for our country.
Are you okay?
The negotiated Senate bill would have encouraged judges advance a defendant's stabilization or recovery and would have allowed somebody convicted of drug possession to vacate their conviction by completing a designated substance use disorder treatment program. Now, before 2021, drug possession was a felony, but then Washington State's Supreme Court threw that out. And that's why Governor Inslee said earlier today that he believes Washington has needed to reform its drug enforcement and treatment laws ever since. Reporting live in studio, I'm Maddie White. Kristen, back to you.